How to take backup of photos in Google Drive and iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video on how to take backup of photos in Google Drive and iPhone. Let's get started by going to our Google Drive application. And as you can see, I am currently in my drive. In order for you to see the same page, make sure to tap on Files right here. And in order for us to take the backup of our photos from here, one simple way is to tap on the photo we want to save and just long press it. As you can see, we have save to camera roll. Just tap on OK. And when you go back or when you go to your photos, you will see it out here. So this is going to be a pretty tedious process if we're going to do it for all of the photos that we have. And so another option you can try is to make sure that the photos are organized. And to do that, you can create a folder by tapping on this plus icon just above Files, tap folder, and then just change the name so it's easier for you to identify it later on. So I'm going to say backup, tap on create, just long press one of the photos, and once you see the same layout, just tap on each one of them. And then just tap on this arrow or folder with an arrow icon at the right top corner of the page. And then select the destination where you want to move these photos to. So mine is in my drive. And just save it to the folder we created. So we have backup here. Tap move here. And then just tap move. Tap the folder. And as you can see, they're all here now. So after organizing the photos in one folder, we have to make use of a browser. So either use Safari or Google, but I prefer using Google here because my account is automatically signed in. So let's look up Google Takeout. And on the results, you should see this, download your data along with your email. So just tap on download your data. Just wait for it to load, but as you can see, there are several products that are already selected, but we don't really need all of them, so tap on deselect all and just look for drive. Here's drive, check drive, and then tap on all drive data included. So if you want to download everything from your Google Drive, by all means, just tap on OK and proceed with the process. But if you want to just download the photos we put in the folder earlier, just tap on deselect all and then select the folder we created. In this case, we created backup, so I'm going to put the check mark on backup. Tap OK at the right top corner and scroll all the way down and then tap on next step. Now on this step, this is where we have to choose the file type, frequency, and destination. So first is destination. The easiest way is to just send a download link to your email. And it's the default one as well, but you have other options here too. But I'm gonna keep it that way. In this case as well, we will just download it once. And the file type is a zip file. But you can also change it if you want. You can also change the file size, but let's keep it to 2 gigabyte. You can even go down to 1 gigabyte because there's only like 4 photos here. And then tap on Create Export. Now, as you can see, the export is now in progress and the files are being prepared. And it'll take some time in order for it to be saved, but it really depends on the number of photos. Once the export is done, you should receive an email from Google Takeout wherein you can download your files. And to do that, simply tap on the link or button to download your files, and this should automatically open your default browser. My default browser is Safari, so I'm gonna go here. I already clicked on it earlier, but once you click on it, it should ask you to sign in to your Google account if you're not signed in yet. So simply put your Gmail and your password, and you should see this same exact page I have. This is the most recent export I created for that specific backup. So I'm just gonna tap on download and wait for something to pop up like this one. and then tap on download. You should see this arrow down button at the left top corner of the page. Just tap on that, tap on downloads, and you should see this zip file. Tap on this zip file and it'll bring you to your downloads on your files. Tap on the zip file and tap on the folder takeout and tap on drive. Tap backup. As you can see, all the photos are now here. But again, this is in our files application on our iPhone. So if you want to put this in your camera roll or the photos in your camera roll, if it's just one, you simply tap on the photo, tap on the save icon at the bottom left corner of the page, and you can save the image. It's the same process if you want to save multiple photos, but make sure you tap on the three dots icon at the right top corner, tap on select, and just select all the photos you want to save in order to save them all at the same time. Tap on the save icon again and confirm you want to save all four images on your camera roll. So tap on that and then let's try to check them in our camera roll. They're now here. And that's how easy it is to take backup of photos in Google Drive and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.